No bengithi bengiphambisela ukuthi ngithayisele phezulu just nje okuncanyana ngempi yeGadanti ukuthi i-directive eyayikhishwe inkosi ukuthi amabutho awalinde lawa nama-columns azafika emfuleni umguza bethi bawayeke futhi uwele ingxenye yezinqola enye ingxenye umisa senganeno kube yilaba hlasela khona. In so doing babengeke bakwazi ukwenza amalagazi. So that was a directive eyayikhishwe inkosi, but ombizo nalawo mabutho ayesuka esigodlweni they ignored that. So yilokho ebengiphakamisela ukuthi ngikuthayisele phezulu laphana bese uma ngabe sesisuka laphana inkosi yasuka emzini wayo before impi yeGadanti. Lokho kubalekile ukuthi sikusho. From there yahamba ke kuningi okwenzakalayo la endleleni, bathi mangabe befika belungu kwabajabulisa yebo ukuthola inkosi sihambile, but leyo nto yokuthi abayitholanga, abayicapturanga, abayibulalanga kwaba yinto eyabakhathazayo, yabawarisha leyo, ngoba as long bazi ukuthi hayi isaphila, they knew ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi avivise amabutho ahlasele again. So ngibone ngathi angeke ngande kakhulu ngoba umuntu okhuluma kakhulu ngicela ukuthi ngigxume ngiyohlala kulezi zinto, kumbe ngithi ngihlale ngomhla ka-3 kuDisemba. Mhla ka-3 kuDisemba emva kokuthi inkosi ibone ukuhlupheka isizwe sayo esakuhluphekayo, kuthiwa abantu babebulawa imikhuhlane la endleleni, omalaria nani, baningi abantu abafela endleleni. Kwayikhathaza kakhulu emoyeni in such a way yokuthi yaze yafuna ukuthi akukhulunyiswane again. Yathumela amanxusa uSuluhulu kaMabhena induna emhawini kanye uBhejana ndiwena ukuthi bahambe bayokhulumisana nabelungu, babatshela ukuthi ayiyavuma ukuthi yehlule, akungabe kusaliwa. Wabanikeza something like 1,000 pounds ukuthi ababanikeze ezisipho. Unfortunately leyo nto yathathwa ngamaqola. Induna lezi abantu azahlangana nabo ngabantu ababephuma kuleli viyo leBechuanaland, le-BPP leli laliqhamuka ngapha ngasentshonalanga belike lakhulunywa uMzala Tom. Yibo-ke abathathu bakhona basigodla, abazange basise kubaholi babo, cha basigodla. Inkosi yamangala uma ibona ilokhu ilandelwa ngamaNgisi kanti yona ibisithumela ukuthi hayi akungabe kusaliwe. Yikho ukukhipha kwayo amabutho ukuthi enze njani, awayihlangabeze le mpi yamakhiwa ngoba yayisibonile ukuthi hayi laba abantu bangifuna ngifile. So yilapho-ke kwakumhla ka-3 kusenzeka leyo nto. Mhla ka-4 asekuliwa-ke le eyasePhugu yaseChangani, zaba mbili ngosuku olulodwa lezo zimpi. Yes, there is too much that have been said empini yasePhugu. Kuningi kakhulu sokwakhulunywa ngayo leya mpi, of which ngizoshiyela abanye. Ngikhathazwa kakhulu mina again njengoba bengike ngasho before. Impi yasePhugu kwangamadoda amangaki? They were less than 40 babehlome ngamaMartin Henry. The big army yabelungu yayinganeno komfula uChangani, yiye yayihlome ngezibhakwa. Babe bangaki labo bantu? Ekseni kwathi mangabe kumele angithi basuke ekseni sokumele bachaphe bayolekelela oWilson lengaphetsheya. What was the reason eyenza ukuthi bahluleke ukuwela? Yes, a lot have been said kuthiwa bavinjwa umfula uChangani, bavinjwa amanzi. Kodwa ekseni amabutho amaningi awela umfula ekseni. And again nabo abelungu, khona abelungu abawela umfula ekseni beza ngapha nganene. The main reason eyenza ukuthi umfula uzugcwale bangakaweli ukuthi bathi uma bethi bayasuka bahlaselwa ngamabutho kaChangani. ilawo mabutho abahlasela behlome ngezigwagwagwa kunjalo abacindezela to such an extent yokuthi even after that battle abakwazanga ukuthi bangawela bayo-check ukuthi kukhona abasindileyo yini le ngaphetsheya kubo Wilson. We need to talk about those things. Siyini sizathu senza ukuthi oForbes emva kwaliyampi kamhla ka4 basuke sebengabantu abandizayo to such an extent yokuthi bangaze ukuthi bahluleke nokuthi bayohlola ukuthi akukho survivor yini lena eyayikhona le ephuma. Yileyo mpi yayibacindezela. Ngoba leyo mpi yabalandela for some days ekusukeni kwabo laphana bavele babe nganeno komfula uChangane basuka basekela uChangane for some days impi balandela and uma bathola endleleni kuliwe again. Leyo mpi yayihlome ngazo lezo zigwagwagwa eyachaya ngazo amabutho elokhuzana eGadadi kodwa lapha yana eChangane behluleka ukuthi ngazo lezo sibhamu benza umonakalo abawenze eGadadi. So lezi mpi zamhla ka4 kuDisemba zibalekile akungakhulunywa kakhulu ngiyasephupha. That one okuyiyo eyachaya oForbes bona ngeke bakhulume ngayo ngoba bona they have something to celebrate kuliyampi yasephupha. Ukuthi abantu less than 40 stood against more than 3,000 warriors. It's heroism kubo kuyibuqhawe obukhulu. So it's something worth celebrating. That is why begxila kakhulu kuyo leya kodwa kulela abashaye kakhona bengakhulumi ngayo. Isenkosi mina ngikholelwa ezinganekwaneni. Inkosi ngaleso sikhathi was someone who was heavily guarded. Akekho umuntu ongangenkosi uMakhobolondo ongathi uyanyamalala. Inkosi lobhengula yonke inyamalala kanjani? Akekho umuntu olingana naleya nkosi ongathi uyanyamalala. Wayengakanani ngokwesiqu sakhe. Uma bemchaza wayengumuntu ongakanani. Futhi ke kuyisikhathi sempi. Inkosi lanyamalala kanjani ngesikhathi sempi? Yes, kuningi okungakhulunywa. Kuwo wonke ama-versions akavele. Mina ngikholelwa ukuthini inkosi yakhothama ngoba vele ubufakazi bokuthi ohambweni loliyana besiyale yayisezinhlungwini buningi ubufakazi obukhona baleyo nto ukuthi yayivele iphathekile emzimbeni isezinhlungwini. Kodwa ke more than anything ngibone ngathi into eyalimaza kakhulu inkosi ukudabuka emoyeni yayidabuke kakhulu emoyeni. Ushilo uNkala uCanisius ukuthi namabutho amaningi angazange alwe awalwanga vele amabutho amaningi. And I will say this ukuthi amangisi we did have a chance yokubaqothula. Sasingabaqothula kahle nje futhi kube kuthiwa amabutho ayesukume kahle wonke ngesikhathi esifanayo. They stood no chance. Benazo lezo zigwagwagwa. Uma ungabuka impi yebhonko yamhla ka25 October bese ubuka impi yanganeno kaChangane mhla ka4 November nayo le yasephupha uzabona ukuthi ngempela we did stood a chance yokuthi sasingabehluli. And kumabutho wonke ayekhona esizweni isizwe sakithi ngathi uma ngikhawunta amabutho angafika kubo 90 somewhere around there. Mangaka lwayo kuliyampi very few. Yes, kukhona lolo lwazi oluthi inkosi yawelela phesheya eZambia. Ngolwazi lwami oluncane angeke ngiyiphikise leyo nto. Kodwa inkosi ngempela ingahamba kungabikho ngisho umuntu ohamba nayo iphelekezelayo thini. Leyo nto it's something edinga ngempela ukuthi ama-historians ake ajule kuyo ayibhekisise. uma ewulanda umlando wayinkosi aqala abhekisise kakhulu nalabo bantu okuyibo okwazakala ngempela ukuthi baba ngabantu bokugcina ukuba lenkosi. Akhona amalisti wamagama abantu abagcinela ngempela ukuthi babe lenkosi. Baphelelaphi labo bantu? Kukhona yini okuvelayo ngabo? Umuntu engamtholiyo nguBhozongwane Khumalo, asazi-ke yini ukuthi wayaphi. Kodwa-ke laba abanye uma ubatresa uyathola ukuthi baphelelaphi. Khona abantu abafana nabo-Chama Thole Ndebele, kukhona abantu abafana nabo-Ndonsa uMagagula, khona boNosivuluhulu Mabhena. uMagwegwe kuyashiwo vele ukuthi wadlula emhlabeni khona laphaya. So it's something eyakudinga ngempela ukuthi singathi mangabe siphanda sikholelwa kakhulu lokho ekuthini kuthiwa inkosi yanyamalala, ngoba uma kungathiwa yanyamalala sesiphelela lapho asibenzi ubulungiswa kanjalo. Ufuna sizame ngempela to dig in deeper ukuthi sithole ukuthi kwenzakalani. Angeke kuthiwe inkosi eyayingakana yanyamalala. Ngicela ukuma nje lapho.
Siyabonga. Ngake ngabona laphana ubaphathisa engakasithi kwabhala kakhulu ngokuthi hayi wayethunyiwe ukuthi eZambia ngale ayedingisisa ukuthi uhamba nje nenkosi. Mhlawumbe nxa umzala Thome ngasusela khonapha la agcizele lapho okuthiwe khona ubaba uMathemo ukuthi what are some of the mysteries surrounding the so-called disappearance of the king?
Hayi, ngumbuzo onzima lo ngenxa yama-theories amaningi esesiwazwile. Kodwa ubhalu lapho okulamathambo khona silalo eMalinda. Singazibuza ukuthi ngamathambo kabana lapho. Opashu bengasitshela ngcono, ngoba izizukulwane zenduna uPashu zingasitshela ngcono ukuthi ngubani, kumbe ngamathambo kabani aseMalinda Caves khonaphana koPashu. Then nxa kuthi inkosi njengoba kuthiwa ukuthi umzimba wawusezinhlungwini eziningi, kungenzakala ukuthi yebo yabekwa khonaphana. But ngibe sengizibuza ukuthi kungani ingcwaba lona lelo lingaqakathekiswa njengentumbane? Ukhona yini abelungu abakwaziyo ngokuthi kulobani khonaphana ebhalwini lweMalinda khona ngale koPashu? Then ubaba uNyathi yes uthi waye eZambia, inkosi ngempela yafika kubazawayo Mphezeni, wazi waphiwa legama lokuthi nguNdabambi ngoba wayesithi hey zimbi indaba lapho esivela khona. Kodwa ungawukhangela umango wakhona nxa usuka kuShangane usiyobamba, just look at the map yeZambia ukhangele ukuthi Chipata ingaphi kwakhona. Asomango omfitshane lo. Kukhatshana kakhulu eChipata ukuthi babe bahamba kuhle sibili, abahlangananga lengozi endleleni baze bayofika khonala. Angazi. Then kulabanye abathi hayi inkosi yabulawa namakhiwa, he was killed in cold blood khonaphana esihlahleni somtswiri lapho eyagcina ukubonakala khona. Kodwa kube sokusiba nzima ngoba amakhiwa wonke abulawa khona ngale endaweni zephuphu. So akula mfakazi ongathi hayi yikho lokho kwenzakalayo. Kumbe yafa, kumbe yakhothama ngenxa yokudabuka kwenhliziyo basebeyingcwaba nje ensitha. Abadala basebesifihlela ukuthi exactly kungaphi, asazi khonapho. So hayi kumele kuchwayisiswe kukhangelisiswe lo mkhondo wabobaba uNyathi ulandele sibone ukuthi usisa ngaphi, ngoba abantu beZambia bona bayagcizelela ukuthi hayi ngempela inkosi yafika bese bephinda betshengisa ukuthi hayi yasifihlwa laphana. So hayi lamangazi abanye bathi yahamba lo mkayo wesikhalangeni uMadumane nguyahamba la yasazi njalo kumbe bakhona izizukulwane zikaMadumane khona ngale Chipata kuyamele siyozidinga sizwisise abantu abazafakaza ukuthi hayi ngempela inkosi yeza lapha lobani 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 babehlala lapha hayi lamangazi ngijikela abanye futhi ukuthi siza ukuthi bayibona njani.
Siyabonga. Mhlawumbe sesivala singagcina ke nge-legacy and the aftermath. Ubaba uNdlovu laphana he has been speaking a lot about lessons and the legacy of inkosi uLobhengu. Mhlawumbe engathatha khonapha bencedisana lo baba uMthulisi lo baba uCanisius.
Siyabonga Moyo. Bengithi before ipoint kaMzala Thomu lapha ukuthi inkosi iyahamba lo Madumane bawufakaza vele abaquli ngabafazi besikhalangeni vele ukuthi ukuthi balodumo impela. Hayi cha bafowethu siya mangabe sesifika ezibongweni zenkosi ngicabanga ukuthi kulokwenzeka mangabe sesifika endaweni yokuthi ama lessons enkosi yini sekufunda enkosini uMakhobolondo isigqila ngalihloko uzonda intamo intambo kaMthimthi noSimangile bathi bayiphotha bayinikezelana. We always hype mhlawumbe rightfully so umsunguli wendaba umqali wendaba inkanyamba eMakhandakhanda inkosi uMzilikazi. But I think uMzala Thomu painted a very big and clear picture echaza elabanjwa inkosi uLobhengula. Akazange athi yena mafika wathi ngkhona hayi cha everything is done, isizwe sikhona, ama-processes are in place, there's policies in place, let me sit back and relax. He said ukuthi ngkhona how can I then leverage to what ubaba has done in reference to inkosi uMzilikazi. And he took advantage of that ukuthi isizwe sesikhona, there's policies waqala manje ukuqhelisa imibuso yakhe drawing a leaf to what was already been done by inkanyamba. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngkhona isifundo esikhulu kakhulu. And again I mentioned earlier on ukuthi thina ezinye izizwe zamenguni sigcina khonapho mhlawumbe sihlubuka kuzo. Okay, mhlawumbe kukhona ubudlelwano obakhona phakathi kwesizwe or ama-attempts to create ubudlelwano mhlawumbe phakathi kwesizwe loSoshangane between inkanyamba ngesikhathi inkanyamba ise-Middelburg, but none of those really materialized to something ebambekayo. Kodwa uMakhobolondo uthi mangayingena aqinisekise ukuthi ubudlelwano lobo uyabakha, aqinisekise ukuthi ngkhona ubuyela back kwaZulu ayiqinisa ubudlelwano. Thina uDingane simgcine ehlasela eTransvaal sesingama-sworn enemies. Izisho imbongo ukuthi igijima ngazo zonke indlela liyebikela bakwaMashobana lithi basibuka ilitshe sebejele ukulibuyisela ngoba uDingane wayengena esizweni sakithi. We're sworn enemies at some point, but uMakhobolondo says no, let me go back kwaZulu and create those relations, let me go back kwaGasa and create those relations again. Nje uMzala Thomu esho ukuthi yena mayingabe uMakhobolondo wasuka wayeZambia, the reason to do that it was because he had created those relations. Again sikubona manga ilungu beqala ubutsotsi babo with these treaties, friendship, so-called friendship alliances ayibuya with the intention of tricking inkosi. He engages. If there's something which inkosi uMakhobolondo did more than anything else before he attacked, make sure ukuthi he engages. Azasusa amadoda izinduna ezithenjiweyo zihambe ziye eKapa zigibele umkhumbi ziye eNgilandi with the sole purpose of engaging, because he understood ukuthi I think that sort of emotional intelligence, before you attack, lesihlale phansi sikhulumisana. I think uyishilo futhi okanjobo ukuthi kwathi mangabe ama-concession ungasazwakali kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani, ababiza abelungu bahlala phansi ukuthi balibhaleni lapha litheni kimi. Those are the lessons esiwafundayo njengabantwana besizwe nje, ukuthi at times before we assume ake sihlale phansi lo muntu simzwisise ukuthi kahle kahle what is it that which is your problem, what is it that which is your problem ngathi, uzweni ngathi bakutsheleni bese siyazichaza ukuthi hayi cha, we're not like that, okuzwe ngathi ngamanga. This is the stance, this is what we believe in. I think izifundo mpela which are a lasting solution ngenkosi yakithi inkosi uMakholondo uNobhengulo wamawaba. Awuthi ngime khonapho unkale ngani usemi onkala bobabili sebe charged already.
Okay. La mansoze ngibe mude kakhulu because I think ilegacy ka King Lobhengula speaks for itself. It's more loud ilegacy yakhe at the Berlin Conference. Umhlangano weBerlin Conference ufika laphana, they actually designate isizwe sika King Lobhengula as untouchable. Bayahamba around Africa besikelana umhlaba, giving each other territories, drawing boundaries regardless of whatever obstacles that they think exist, and also without even caring who lives there, but they dance around the territory yeMathebele state because they have noticed ukuthi influence ka King Lobhengula is something that cannot be ignored. Indaba kayiqali mhla i-Pioneer Column marches to the COP in the then Fort Salisbury. Ayiqali lapho, but iqala ngo-1888 German, when the colonists sat down and decided to share amongst themselves the land of Africa. But they deliberately avoid iMathebele state, the only state that was deliberately avoided then. And it takes them almost 5-6 years to actually start attacking using the latest technologies in the guns and the monies that were invested by the Rothschild. Siyabakhumbula la namhla lokho bekhona Rothschild. They are actually very influential people in terms of izimali, yibo abaqalisa amabhenki, yibo abayenza zonke zona lezi zinto esezidominate umhlaba. They've bought, they own some of the biggest companies in the world, and they are some of the biggest investors kuma mining interests like kuma banks. So they are the same people that financed the Pioneer Column. They also financed the BAC. But engiyakukho i-diplomacy ka King Lobhengula, as some of my colleagues have already mentioned, ukuthi it was at world standards by then, because he could negotiate even without use of modern communication systems esilazo namhla. But his influence reached England. His influence was reaching beyond what he controlled by then. So siyakubona ukuthi i-diplomacy yakhe was unmatched, and amakhiwa labo they approached him with caution, because they knew ukuthi lundoda he is able to negotiate, he is able to reason Kulelinye ibhuku angaliqedi elabhalwa ngomunye indoda esithi yena there are 3 men who changed this world. That is King Lobengula, Cecil John Rhodes. Wasemenshina lomunye ngamkhohlwa. But ingaliqeda I'll share with my colleagues lelo bhuku because they actually, I think we mentioned King Chaka, which there are some of the most powerful people that changed what the world like we see today. So legacy ka King Lobengula in terms of mina ngibona in diplomatic terms, if we are to continue today from where he left, we need to continue in this track diplomacy lapha asuka khona wachiyela khona siya phambili. Ngibonge lapho kamoya.
Siyabonga kakhulu Baba Nkana.
Ngibonge lami ukuphiwa ithuba. Hayi isihlafuniwe indaba kodwa okuqhakatheke kakhulu kuma mysteries and theories. Mina as a strategist, I would say to you ukuthi inkosi uMzilikazi perfected ama war theories kaChaka, whereas inkosi uLobengula perfected something that he saw ukuthi yayinsinzima ukudila layo. The intelligence that he had tells me ukuthi there is a possibility that he survived. And in order to survive, he had to change the idea. Inkosi uMzilikazi yathatha isizwe sonke yahamba laso. Kodwa inkosi uLobengula yathi sibona ukuthi kuzaba nzima, yakhetha iqule elithile yahamba lalo yachiya isizwe ngoba babezayilandela. So if we can go sihambe siye checka kule ndlela kule DNA testing lamathambo lapho kuthiwa ulele khona, asiyeni lapho siye checka ukwenzela ukuthi imbali yenkosi yethu siyithole, ngoba eqinisweni akakukho ukuthi ama-British babe ngathi bemlandele kangako behlule ukuthola ithambo lakhe baqede lapho baselebrate ngalo. Baselebrate ngamazinyo abo lokhuzeni kuthiwa ngubani labo umfana lo welokhuzeni we-DRC we-Zaire. How could they not have celebrated ngelokhuzeni ngethambo or anything awenkosi yethu inkosi yethu uLobengula? It's because lamanje kuyinto engeke yaziwa ngumuntu ukuthi ithambo lenkosi yakithi noma amathambo enkosi zakithi vele kade kawathintwa nje umuntu ukuza, ngoba umuntu uyasiphendukela ngesithunzi senkosi yethu. Lokho kuyazila. Ngakho-ke mina useye ukuthi uLobengula perfected, but he had to change the idea ekugcineni. Ubengaphuma lesizwe but babehlasele bavala kukho konke bakhohlwa ukuvala esayidini lona lele lokuyezambia. Nxa lisitsho liyatsho uyatsho kaNjobo uthi kule butho elaliphumile lisiya khona lephezulu. Ukhona wakwakhuluma ukuthi laphenduka yini lelo butho, kumbe yilo elamamukelayo lelo butho, kumbe yilo elalimlindile khona ngale. Ngoba ngesikhathi sokusabalala nxa befika laba kwakule butho elaliphumile uyatsho kaNjobo. Nxa singayilandela kuhle imbali yona leyo sizananzelela ukuthi khonaphana ingxenye emabuthweni amanye sithi kazange alwe, kukhona ibutho alikhiphayo elahamba layo esingaziyo namhlanje ngenxa yokuthi akula muntu ole itinerary yakhe epheleleyo ngamabutho ayewaqalile akade ehamba lawo. Kodwa eqinisweni bazamile ama-British, bazama ngaleso sikhathi le-British South Africa Company ukuthi bamthole, kabaseze bamthole. Ucatshe egcekeni bemkhangele. Bayicolonize iZambia bakwenza konke lakhathi sabuzange bambambe. That's a perfection by a man of a diplomatic and very intelligent. Yabo.
Okanjoba ngilinika exactly 2 minutes. Lingeqisi khona. 2 minutes.
Mina ke
sizabuya kuwe la. Siyacina ngolakusona sesinika izibongo zenkosi sesivaya.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu bakwethu. Siyabonga. Bengizwe nithinta nehloko elibomvu kodwa hayi ngiyabona ukuthi isikhathi asisavumi sesihlalela kakhulu noma nje umuntu ubengena aphume nayo engibone ngathi iyinto edinga usuku lwayo ngoba kuningi kakhulu okwenzeka ngaleso sikhathi. Kodwa-ke kule eyama-mystery nama-theories no nibekile bakwethu, nibekile and enikubekileyo konke kuyezwakala, konke futhi unawo umqondo, kuyawakha umqondo, uyabona ukuthi konke it is possible. So inkosi yakithi ngiyihlonipha kakhulu ngeqhaza yalibambayo kulesi sizwe, khona lokho nje ukuthi akwazi ukuthi abe yibridge elamvalelayo uRhodes kulelo phupho lakhe ngaleso sikhathi. Kuyabonisa ukuthi inkosi yakithi yayibukhali kakhulu engqondweni nalawo ma-advisors wayeyayinawo. Siyabonga.
Awusibanda.
Hayi mina ngisathinta okubili okuqhakathekileyo ngenkosi uLobhengula kumele lathi sikufunde. Into eyamangaza amakhiwa kakhulu lulwazi lwakhe njalo olokufuya inkomo. His ranching skills, cattle breeding skills produced ama-breed enkomo ababengakaze bewabone. Umvucha Ranch showed them his excellence in agriculture and ability to crossbreed, create unique breeds okwamangazayo amakhiwa. Yikuthola ukuthi even isizwe sesichitheka to form a loot committee to focus on inkomo zenkosi uLobhengula and distribute amongst themselves. Ezinye bazithatha bahamba lazo eCape Town for further studies ukuthi bebone ukuthi kanti indoda lo ulwazi wayelwalo ngenkomo wayeluthethe ngaphi. Yikuthola ukuthi induna uMaphungo Mabhena wabulawa kabuhlungu ngendaba yokuthi amakhiwa ayefuna ulwazi lonolo, esithi siyazifuna inkomo zenqwala, siyazifuna inkomo, usichasisele ukuthi zazibekwa njani. How did you breed these cattle? uMaphungo Mabhena walalo lwazi lolo. He was killed in cold blood over that. And singakhohlwa ukuthi amakhiwa built their wealth from inkomo zenkosi yethu, from inkomo zesizwe. John Meikle labanye, all these big ababiyakha ama-supermarket amakhulu, bonke abayakha ama-business amakhulu, ama-bank lani, babe ngama-beneficiaries enkomo zenkosi, which were cattle of very, very, very high value. So singakukhohlwa khonokho ukuthi inkosi was an agricultural expert, he was a skilled man, wayelolwazi olumangalisayo kakhulu. Then okwesibili okugcina ukuthi okungizwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi ipropaganda esikhulume ngayo ukuthi yayisenzakala ngama-1880s to justify the occupation of Matabeleland is a seed that amakhiwa planted to divide black people, to pit us against each other. And kuze kube namuhla silokhe silwa ngenxa yalokho esakutshelwa ngamakhiwa. And it's high time we start researching as Africans, sibale kabanzi ngembali yethu, and we'll find ukuthi we had more in common than what divides us. I-legacy ye-division, i-legacy ye-tribalism, lezinto ezinjalo, we can conquer that, we can overcome it. Abadala bethu have shown us ngama-organizations afana leZAPHO ukuthi nxa abantu bengazimisela ukuthi bebambane belisisitha, they can do it and overcome. So thina ingqobe ikithi in our generation to use history as a tool to build, to develop ourselves and to advance beyond a lot of things that have been done to divide us and bring us down. Restore national pride yethu, derive pride yethu from what abadala bethu have done, and lathi sakhe from that. Sibe kwazi ukuthi singabantwana bezinkanyezi, njengoba lakusona Ndlovu ehlala esitsho ukuthi singabantwana bezinkanyezi. Let's not lose that pride and that identity esayitshiyelwa inkosi uLobhengula. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Siyashela ke ubaba uNdlovu asivale.
Hayi, siyabonga abantwana bezinkanyezi njengoba esho umzala Tom lapha. Nanzi izibongo zenkosi zihaywa umntwana uhlangabeza Khumalo. Angiboni ukuthi sizodlala zonke, kodwa ke sizodlala nje bese ukuthi wena moyo uma usubona ukuthi ku-right usho ukuthi ngkhona uzovala uhlelo. Siyabonga.
uLobhengula wamawaba uqhila ikhosha uMasinja nomelele lesi sigcila ngahloko Kontitamo, inyathe mnyama, entami manxeba, inxeba lisepolise embolisana, ikhalethe ngethole, ithole likamzilikazi, ungwalo ngwalise emasibukweni, sigubudu silizulu ngokusibekela, mazwe entaba inkosi kaMgabhili Ndwandwe, itambo kaMtutulo Simakhe, abathebe iphotho abayinikezelana yaphotho ngodadewabo iphotho ngusiyendlela siyekethe silwane simnyama sakithi komabindela utshani kabushe mahalihali awunye bushe buyagoba athukuthela abazonda besizwe labesihlwana isondo lengweli bandama emlanjeni umhloli wenkomo ophakamayo abahloli benkomo behlela kulele uthuthumela bephethe ihlangu lemfalane emagcekeni kalohasa lobhulane uJoji uphange wafukama wabesesalisilo sakubonakala sichokala singhangamatsha senkahla ugoda abantu bandimnyakanyaka lukhuga nje bazabandizi vokole mkansona ushobashoba lingango isumashobana unkomo silendumo silenhlokomo sibizo kukhashana lesi sibhemplula singendini zabalimi ekade beyi imabebhemplula ibele likangqongqolo gabane elibangela defa lashiya amathenga kadefi unangnangu namhlengesuye ilokhu Tinango, undlela simazombezo njengazomnyono uteka kamkhonto kangakanani nasemkhontweni ngahlala ihlahla limeva limaqathowana owathe sahle wabekesingewata akwabantu abazalutho wahluthibutsha mnuka logudu akwabantu abazalutho wathi sithunilo inkubalo zadliwa kwesithunilo yaphuma impabala umasila ngokuthubela sigungu esibantwana abalathuli basila ngokuyibalekela uLobhengula ngiyamthanda indaba engathobi uthoba ngentamo lesi sijikubu sikimbela singezokulaka besiyezukulawa siphange esinqokolweni undaba lo ngenamtshela ubani uyotshela ngawo ubikela bani ngoba sebaqedile okoboko abikele bani abikela ugadlazi umbelebele udako olibamba izinkomo wibida wena wenkosi. uLobhengula wamawaba uqhila ikhosha.
Hayi, siyabonga.
Hi, Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much to my esteemed guest on the program. Such a long and very detailed discussion on the Ndebele Kingdom under Inkosi uLobhengula. I'm sure there are so many things like I think our discussants have been pointing out. There's so many things that obviously we left out because we can't seeing legacy yenkosi uLobhengula into a few hours. It will need maybe days and days because there are a lot of people who have written so many books, they've written so many papers, have done a lot of research, and we can't obviously finish all of that in the 2 or in the 3 or so hours that we have spent. But hopefully you will gain a lot in terms of what the Ndebele Kingdom looked like under Inkosi uLobhengula. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking your time and for sharing your expertise and your knowledge with us. Hopefully, we will gain a lot from this, and I'm sure in future we'll also convene such a gathering again and share more on history. Yesizwe samaNdebele. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Hayi, siyabonga.
Siyabonga Moyo. Thank you very much.
Siyabonga Moyo. Thank you.